Hi everyone, my name is Alvin. I hope you all are doing good. So, I will be giving a summary about the topic where major updates which have been widely used in cybersecurity framework. The National Institute of Standards and Technology, which is the NIST, has released a major update to its cybersecurity framework, first published in 2014. The big update, the first revision since the framework was created, is now open for public comment in draft form. It consolidates a plethora of community feedback and is envisaged to mirror the vibrant state of the affairs in the cybersecurity ecosystem. What is maybe most interesting in this update is the inclusion of a new feature called Govern. This underlines the vital importance of cybersecurity with a broader rubric of enterprise risk management and shows the keen awareness among senior leadership regarding the strategic nature of the considerations. Broadly, those updates expand the applicability and usability scope of the framework for all sectors organizations beyond the original scope, considering only those organizations in the critical infrastructure sectors. Important key takeaway points from the revised framework include a tremendous expansion of the scope of the framework. This broader focus extends applicability past the critical infrastructure spectrum, making the framework relevant and useful for organizations of all kinds and sizes. Another important addition is the govern function, which directs to the crucial role played by internal decision making in shaping cybersecurity strategies by integrating cybersecurity considerations. The article also provides improved guidance to implement the framework, which is more explicit on tailoring profiles realized with the framework to different sectors and use cases. Moreover, one of the major reevaluated frameworks aims to ensure that it can easily fit into other technology frameworks, standards, and guidelines. The objective is underpinned by the release of the CSF 2.0 reference tool, a new innovative online reference helping users map the CSF 2.0 and other risk management guidance. It represents a step forward in harmonizing different cybersecurity standards and practices. Now, I'll be talking about the applications related to the concepts above. Incorporating govern function in the NIST cybersecurity framework brings about some radical shifts in corporate IT governance and cybersecurity strategy. This strategic inclusion, without any doubt, shows that cybersecurity is not something that can be considered an outlier, but an integral part of an overall business strategy. This reflects the need for broad senior management and organizational leaders' involvement in cyber governance, thereby establishing mechanisms that ensure extreme decisions in cyberspace with consistently broader objectives of the organizations and risk management policies. Here, the integration of cybersecurity highlights jurisdiction in an organization to play a critical role that translates beyond technicalities to a fundamental element at the highest level of corporate oversight. This creates a top-down approach whereby the leadership appreciates driving cybersecurity initiatives and embedding them into the organizational strategy. The enhanced revised NIST cybersecurity framework, broadening its scope and signalization with a host of standards besides guidelines, emerges to be strongly enabling compliance and risk management. This is possible under the framework development, which underpins its applicability for effectively negotiating sensitivities that prevail in the regularity compliance landscape. The framework is adaptable and comprehensive enough to help businesses keep up with relevant laws and regulations, thus remaining effective in managing the cyber risk. The updated cybersecurity framework emphasizes the practical applications of IT governance and cybersecurity principles through the focus on implementation guidance. This extends to diverse economic sectors. The framework acknowledges and mitigates the unique cybersecurity challenges and requirements varying per the industries by providing tailored guidance to varied industry sectors and company sizes. The NIST cybersecurity framework introduces unified language and a systematic methodology suitable for improving communication and understanding across different business units in an organization, which bridges in a helpful approach the communication gap between the technical and non-technical staff in the organization by establishing a common language that helps in the success of IT governance and data governance. This shared vocabulary allows a more cohesive and integrated approach to discussing and addressing cybersecurity issues, assuring that all members of an organization contribute effectively to cybersecurity decision regardless of technical expertise. I conclude this summary by giving the reference which I have used for this topic in the description below. Thank you.